Hi guys, this is Abdullah from Scientific Accent, and in this video we'll talk about 3 mistakes that a lot of English teachers make. So the first mistake I see with a lot of English teachers is that they don't focus on the vowel sounds when they teach pronunciation. They think that the difference between the e, the a, the the o is not really important. And that makes your job as a teacher much harder and make your students more confused. Mistake number 2. Syllable stress is too advanced to teach. How can you teach anyone to pronounce any word without explaining syllable stress? For me, it is not helpful at all. The difference between da-da and da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da is crucial for the student to understand what's going on. And that will bring you immediate results and it will make your job much easier. So you invest some time in the beginning to set the foundation of your students, and then on the long run, you'll see much better results. So syllable stress is really basic. You need to focus more on syllable stress with your students. The third mistake we have today is we never talk about sentence stress. Sentence stress is so crucial for fluency, to connect everything together, to speak in units. Americans don't talk in words. I don't say credit card, I say credit card. So the stress patterns for compound nouns, adjective plus noun, two adjectives plus noun, and all of that will help your students to take it to the next level, of course, if they are advanced students. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.